Trying it so you don't have to. Here we have Ruffles KFC original recipe chicken flavored potato chips. Ruffles KFC original recipe chicken, buckets of flavor. We're bringing the flavor of KFC's famous original recipe chicken to the iconic riches of Ruffles potato chips. We're keeping the 11 herbs and spices recipe top secret, but are sharing KFC's iconic taste in this limited time collaboration. Well, we're trying them so you don't have to. Open them up. That filter there, it's a 66 gram bag, this bag. Just so you all know, in this bag, there's 29% of your daily saturated fat, your fats, 11% of your daily fiber, 3% of your sugar, 7% of your sodium. But, like, what you want to know is how they taste. Well, I gotta be honest, folks, it's leaving me craving some real KFC chicken. I'll give them a 9 out of 10.